In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to emoji react on Zoom. This feature is a fun way to interact with others during your virtual meetings, whether you're attending a work meeting, a class, or a virtual get-together with friends. Adding emoji reactions can help add a personal touch to your online interactions. So, let's dive into the steps to get you started. First, you'll need to go to the Zoom website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL www.zoom.com. Once you've arrived at the home page, you should see the option to sign in located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will direct you to a sign-in page where you can enter your login details. If you don't have an account, you'll have to create one before proceeding, but if you do have an account, just log in as you usually do. This will provide you with access to all of Zoom's features, including the ability to create or join meetings. Now that you're signed in, the next step is to join your meeting. You can do this by navigating to your scheduled meeting through the Zoom interface. If you have a meeting link, you can directly paste it into your browser, and it'll take you to the meeting page. Your Zoom meeting interface should load up, providing you with a view of other participants and a toolbar at the bottom of the screen. Once you're in the meeting, look toward the bottom of your screen for the toolbar and locate a button labeled Reactions. Clicking on this button will open a small menu where you'll find a selection of emoji reactions to choose from. These range from applause to a thumbs up and even a heart. Feel free to browse through the options and select the emoji that best fits your reaction to what's happening in the meeting. Choosing an emoji is just a simple click away. As soon as you click on your chosen emoji, it will briefly appear in the corner of your video panel as well as on any shared screens, allowing all participants in the session to see your reaction. This is a great way to provide quick input or express your engagement without interrupting the flow of conversation. Keep in mind that these reactions are temporary and will disappear after a few seconds, making them ideal for non-intrusive participation. And that's how you can easily use emoji reactions in your Zoom meetings. This handy feature allows for a level of interactivity and personalization that can really enhance the remote communication experience. So next time you're in a meeting, don't hesitate to show a little bit of flair with your reactions. Thank you for tuning in and happy Zooming.